Here's a quick video on how I cleared my D&D Fat Cat exhaust to my 13.5-inch shocks. So here's the rear exhaust bracket with the lower and upper fasteners into the transmission housing. And I have these spacers on there, both upper and lower, same size spacers, 7/8 inch spacer, and that's enough to push the pipe out. So you see the bracket controls how far out the pipe is, and here's a 1/2 inch bar, and that's enough to clear pipe to lower shock mount. So yeah, that's it. D&D Fat Cat exhaust. Here, I'll measure this too. So 13.5 inch shocks, D&D Fat Cat, plenty of clearance. Just push the pipe out, spacers. All right, that's it.